Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5078127 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause update option. So hit pause over here. This may take some time. Once paused, you can resume the updates again. Now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click once again and then click on restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Once this is done, now you can go back, and if you see download and install or retry option over here, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, copy the first command, paste it on the window, hit the enter key. Now this will take some time. It will run a scan. In my case, the scan is already done, so the scan will take some time, and once the scan is complete, copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5078127. So write down the name of the update on this Microsoft website, click on search. Now first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WINVER run command. Check your version. In my case it's version 25H2. Now check your system type. So open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here you can check your system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download. Now over here you will see KB5078127. Click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. After the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is complete, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file, and then click on yes to allow and click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Now let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, you can click on finish over here and let this close automatically. So it may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once this is closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file over here, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.